Probably really windy, but we're at the Elmer Marina. This is the Ottawa River. You can see. And there are bikes over there with the trailer. And Katie and Chris are throwing rocks in the water. And she's having a blast, even though it's a bit cold and windy out here. Do you want to say hi to Mama?
Over here, Katie.
Hi!
Other way, whoop.
Hi! Are you throwing rocks in the water? Yes.
Look at the ducks.
And there are ducks. Right there. Ducks! That's a big one, Katie. Probably weighs as much as you do.
Look. Ready, Katie? Look. One. There's a kite. That's a kite. You see that? Ready? Look. We'll put the big one in the water.
There's a big kite over there.
Katie, look. Here's the big one. Look up, Mama. It might splash you a little bit.
Wow! It did splash me.
I got some in the face.
You want to throw some more rocks, Katie?
Mesmerized by
And
the
Katie here is in underwear. She's been in underwear all day since last Sunday. She's doing amazing, right? Throw them at Mama. You almost got Mama with that one. That's a big one. Wow. Hey, silly. Okay, say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye, camera. Good job.